How to do anything television brings you a new video today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add the Microsoft Outlook application to your dock on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, which can be installed from the Office 365 website. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go onto the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Outlook. There we have it on screen. We can now drag and drop this onto the dock, which should be available for us when it comes to quickly accessing the application itself. So now let's click on Microsoft Outlook, and there we go. We should see that pop up on screen for us to use. So we can now quit Microsoft Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.